There is always something so fantastic about making your own pastries. It's like you get the exact flavor, the exact texture. It's just right on point. No, that's what happened with my apple pie. And of course, I'm sharing another absolutely great one with you. So I added my flour to my container, and that's 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour and a teaspoon of salt. No, actually, let me correct that. It was 3/4 teaspoons of salt because my butter is salted. No, your butter is supposed to be coming straight from the fridge, so I added my butter and I added my shortening. The aim here, of course, is to crush my butter and my shortening into my flour until I get a crummy result, like almost like a breadcrumb result. So that's what I was aiming for. The liquid in this is, of course, water, and it is cold water. So that too is coming straight from the fridge, and I add that a spoon at a time. The butter has to be kept cold, the shortening has to be kept cold, so we're using cold water, and the colder the water is, then the better it is for your dough. After the crumb process is achieved, I just use my hand and made sure I got everything in together. Now this dough is gonna be cut in two parts because remember, you need a bottom for your pie and a top for your pie. After this is done, then I am going to work my dough just for about a minute or so on my floured surface and just pat that down a little to about an inch and a half thereabout, and then wrap this in saran wrap and put this in the fridge for 2 to 3 hours. My next process is to prepare my filling, and my filling is basically apples because remember, we're making a delicious apple pie. Now I used in total 9 apples, but my apples were on the small side, so I would recommend that if your apples are small, then you can go up to about 12 apples. So peel, remove the insides and cut them up. I cut them in small pieces. You can actually cut them in another shape, probably just in half, and then you slice them along in slices. Now when that's done, you need to add some lemon juice or lime juice to your apples. Of course, this is to prevent them from becoming dark, and it also adds a flavor. This is similar to if you were preparing bananas, ripe bananas in a salad. You have to add your lemon juice to prepare the color from prevent the color from changing. I added about 1/4 cups of cherry in this. That's a difference for me because I've had apple pie before, but I thought, why not add some cherries because that would enhance the flavor as well. Add this to my pot, and this is gonna go on my stove top, and I'm gonna cook this for about 3 minutes tops. Added some cinnamon and nutmeg, granulated sugar, and also some butter and flour is added to this. So I toss that around in my pot before I add my flour and my butter. Guys, did I say hi to those who are rejoining? And welcome to those who are being here for the first time. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. I have other videos that you can check out, as well as you can tell me what you think about this one in the comment section. Now, while you're simmering your apple, if it becomes too thick, you can just add a bit of water, not too much. Okay, guys? When your time has passed, then you know it's time to roll your dough, and you roll it to the size that it fills your container. And I am using a 9-inch pie dish for this, so you know the size that you need. After that's done, you simply add that to your pie dish and you add your filling. By this time your filling is cool, right? No, I wouldn't advise you to just drop everything in at once. Just take your time and fill it in and kind of pat them down so you limit the air bubbles that's in it or the air packs that's in it. You can either do a lettuce top for your pie, or you just add the top layer of your dough and leave it as it is, of course decorating the ends. And if you're gonna add a solid top, I recommend that you use a fork to create some holes in the top. After that was done, I simply used some egg wash, which my egg wash was coconut cream and the egg. Brush that on, sprinkle with a little granulated sugar. Then I baked this for an hour and a half in a 350 degrees Fahrenheit oven. That's how beautiful it came out. And guys, trust me, this was amazing. When it was cool, you cool this for about 4 hours. When that was cool, I was so excited to try it and I really enjoyed it. I can even taste it right now. Top that off with some coconut caramel ice cream. You can use the ice cream of your choice. Mine was coconut caramel. Decorate with some strawberries and my cherry and enjoyed it. Thanks for watching and do try this one. Amazing, guys. Enjoy. And until next time, bye.